Self-discipline is a cornerstone of success, whether it's in your career, personal life, or relationships. It's the ability to control your impulses and consistently work towards your goals. Here's a 30-day plan to help you master this essential skill. Week 1. Building awareness. Track your habits. Keep a daily journal to record your actions, thoughts, and feelings. This will help you identify patterns and triggers. Mindfulness practice. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes each day to mindfulness meditation. This will improve your self-awareness and ability to focus. Set realistic goals. Break down your larger goals into smaller, achievable steps. This will make them less overwhelming and more manageable. Week 2. Developing willpower. Limit distractions. Minimize distractions like social media and excessive screen time. Create a focused work environment. Practice delayed gratification. Challenge yourself to resist immediate rewards in favor of long-term goals. For example, save money instead of spending it. Incorporate physical activity. Regular exercise boosts willpower and self-control. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days. Week 3. Cultivating consistency. Create a routine. Establish a daily routine that includes time for work, rest, and relaxation. Consistency helps build discipline. Accountability partner. Share your goals with a friend or family member who can provide support and encouragement. Reward yourself. Celebrate your successes along the way. This will motivate you to keep going. Week 4. Overcoming challenges. Identify triggers. Pay attention to situations or emotions that tempt you to give up. Develop strategies to cope with these triggers. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself when you make mistakes. Everyone slips up sometimes. Seek support. If you're struggling, don't hesitate to seek help from a therapist or counselor. Remember, building self-discipline is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. By following these steps and staying committed, you can develop the willpower and focus you need to achieve your goals.